gorgeous pearl white, navigation, amazing JBL sound system, leather, and much more. One owner, very LOW miles, new tires. I could go on and on and on. Go topless on these beautiful summer evenings. Way too much fun. Here at Folsom Lake Toyota, only the best of the best are chosen to be Toyota certified used vehicles. The Toyota Certified program combines the confidence of purchasing a new vehicle with the value of a used vehicle to provide a like-new ownership experience. It offers you a smart alternative to traditional used car options and gives you the peace of mind you are looking for in a used vehicle. Industry-leading features include 160-point inspection with reconditioning to Toyota's exacting and strict standards. Carfax Vehicle History Report, a factory-backed warranty valid at over 1,400 dealerships across the U.S. and Canada that features 3-month/3,000-mile comprehensive platinum level coverage, 7-year/100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, 7-year/100,000-mile roadside assistance plan, a factory and dealer commitment to customer satisfaction, 24 to 84-month financing terms, depending on vehicle age, current new vehicle interest rates, and 0 down payment maximum advances.